Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Talk English, the podcast where we help you learn real English for real life. I'm Tom. And I'm David. And today we're taking you somewhere very fun and very useful. The market. A market, a supermarket, a grocery store. Wherever you buy your food, you will use English there again and again. Yes. So today we're going to teach you simple words, easy sentences, and real conversations that you can use in the market. And remember, this podcast is beginner friendly, so relax. Take your time, listen slowly, repeat after us. And hey, before we start, if you enjoy our podcast, please like, subscribe, and follow. It helps us a lot, and it tells us that you want more episodes like this. All right, ready? Let's go shopping. Number 2, main chat, 115 minutes of content. We'll break this into sections, each about 10-15 minutes of conversational teaching, repetition, and dialogue. Section 1, warm-up vocabulary, 10 minutes. Tom, okay friends, let's start simple. When you enter a market, what do you see? You see fruits, vegetables, bread, milk, eggs. Let's say them together. David, I'll say a word. You repeat. Ready? Fruit, vegetables, bread, eggs, milk. Good job. Now let's put them in easy sentences. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite fruit is banana. My favorite fruit is apple. Nice. Now you try. What is your favorite fruit? Great. Nice answer, whatever it was. You're doing great already. Section 2, easy market phrases. Let's learn some simple phrases you can use at the market. These are very, very common. Phrase 1, how much is this? So useful, so simple. Tom, phrase 2, do you have? Example, do you have tomatoes? Do you have fresh bread? Phrase 3, I'm looking for rice. I'm looking for onions. Let's practice. You say it after us. Together, how much is this? Do you have? I'm looking for. Good job. These phrases are your tools. You'll use them again and again. Section 3, real dialogue number 1, 10 minutes. Listen, discuss, listen again. Dialogue, listen. Hello. How much are these apples? David, are $2 per kilo. Great. I'll take 1 kilo, please. Sure. Anything else? Yes. Do you have bananas? Yes, we do. They are $1 for 6 bananas. Perfect. I'll take. Okay, let's break that down. Tom said, how much are these apples? Very useful question. Then you said $2 per kilo. This is a common way to talk about price. And when Tom said, I'll take 1 kilo, that means I want to buy 1 kilo. Easy, right? Now let's listen again. Dialogue, listen again. Repeat exact dialogue slowly. Section 4, asking for quantity. Okay, friends, let's talk about quantity words. These help you ask for the right amount. Here are the most common ones. A kilo, half a kilo, a little, a few, some. Example, I want a kilo of tomatoes. I want half a kilo of onions. I want a few lemons. I want some bread. Let's practice together. Together, a kilo of, repeat. Half a kilo of, a few, some. Nice work. You're doing great. Section 5, real dialogue 2. Listen, Tom. Excuse me, I'm looking for potatoes. They're right here. How many do you need? Half a kilo, please. Here you go. Anything else? Yes, I need a few lemons. Sure, here are 3 lemons. Discuss, I want to find something. How many do you need? Equals asking quantity. Half a kilo equals 0.5 kilograms. A few lemons equals 2 to 4 lemons. Listen again. Section 6, polite phrases. Being polite is very important. Here are some easy polite words. Please, thank you. Excuse me. Sorry. Let's make sentences. Excuse me, where is the milk? Half a kilo of carrots, please. Thank you so much. Let's practice. Together. Excuse me. Please. Thank you. David, amazing. Your English is sounding better and better. Section 7, market items vocabulary. Okay, now let's learn more things you see at the market. I'll say them slowly. You repeat. Tomatoes, potatoes, onions, rice, oil, sugar, salt, bread, butter, chicken. Great. Now we make sentences. I need tomatoes. I want some bread. I'm looking for oil. The onions are fresh. Your turn. Good. Even if it feels small, you are improving. Section 8, Real conversation practice, 15 minutes. Tom and David create 4 slow mini dialogues, each repeated twice. Dialogue 1. Customer, excuse me, where's the rice? The rice is on the left. Thank you. Dialogue 2. How much are the bananas? $1 for 6. I'll take 6, please. Dialogue 3. Do you have fresh bread? Yes, we do. Great, I'll take 1. Dialogue 4. I need some eggs. How many? Customer, 12 eggs, please. Section 9. Long, slow practice plus encouragement, 80 minutes. This section includes slow recap of phrases, student practice moments, encouragement, natural repetition. Tom, say after me, I'm looking for. How much is this? Do you have? I'll take 1 kilo. David, great job. You are really improving. You're speaking more clearly. Your pronunciation is stronger. You're learning real English for real life. Now imagine you are in the market. You see something. You want it. Say, how much is this? Nice. Now say, I'll take it. Wonderful. Okay, deep breath. You're doing great. Let's keep going. Section 10, final full dialogue. A full, natural, slow dialogue covering greetings, asking for help, asking for price, asking for quantity, buying items, paying, polite thanks. Listen. Hello, excuse me. I'm looking for vegetables. Sure, what do you need? I need 1 kilo of tomatoes and a few onions. Here you go. Anything else? Yes. How much is the bread? It's $2. Okay, I'll take 1 loaf, please. Sure. Is that all? Yes, that's all. Thank you. You're welcome. Discuss. Number 3, Rappinets. All right, friends, this was a long, full, real-life English practice episode. You learned phrases, vocabulary, and real conversation skills for the market. Here are your key phrases. How much is this? Do you have? I'm looking for. I'll take 1 kilo. A few? Some. Excuse me. Thank you. Great job today. Really, you worked hard, and your English is getting better every minute. Now, here's our fun community question of the day. What is the first thing you buy when you go to the market? Tell us in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for listening. We'll see you in the next episode. Take care, keep learning, and have a great day.